is currently 6:20 a.m. and I'm gonna get ready for my graduation. It's like super early because I have to leave my house at 8 because the venue is like so far, and the graduation, I mean, I have to be there by 9:30, but oh well, I have to be there by 9:30. It doesn't start until 10:30, but my parents wanted to come at 9:30 because that's when people can come and sit. So yeah, I'm up. Okay, let's get ready. I did my hair last night, so it's like kind of like falling out into curls right now, so that's good. And I'm just gonna do my makeup. That's basically all I have to do right now. So yeah, let's just do it. I'm gonna turn on some music and then I'll time lapse this.
New fabrics, oh yeah. New fashion, oh yeah. New jacket on my back. It's all the same old shit. New iPhone, oh yeah. New laptop, oh yeah. New money in the bag, baby. So the same old shit. So I'm still stuck up on this bed thinking about you. Hold up. I'm still stuck up on this screen reaching for you. So I keep scrolling through my Instagram. Snapchat, baby, please just take a snap. I know that you never like my picture back. I keep on scrolling, wish that you were coming. So baby, I love you still. With you is all I feel. Baby, I love you still. Hold me close and love me till sunshine on my side, sunlight in your eye. Till the sky turns purple and my heart turns pink again. Baby, no. I've been thrift shop, dabbing, smoke, puffin', tryna look cool. Black fur coat, white chucks, bring the new school. New everything, but my lips turn blue. Every time I take a corner and I bump into you. And I know that it'll take probably a few minutes. It's been 5, I don't know if I'm fine, to be honest. I mean, I know I'ma get through it, but so I keep scrolling through my Instagram. Snapchat, baby, please just take a snap. I know that you never like my picture back. I keep on scrolling, wish that you were coming.
Okay, so I just popped on lashes and applied some lip gloss, and that's pretty much all for my makeup. It looks really weird in this lighting, but I promise you I don't look that bad. Cindy's awake. Hello. And I'm just gonna put in some dry shampoo and like kind of restyle my hair a little bit because it's like a little messy. Like, does it look messy in the back?
No, it looks fine.
Okay, so I don't have to do
Can I
too
use
much.
that wand I want?
Yeah, you can use it. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put on my gown. I don't know if this is a good idea because it might get wrinkled in the car, but I have nowhere to hang it in my car either, so I'm just gonna put it on. I'm just wearing a white dress from Princess Polly I've had for a little while, and so yeah, we're just gonna zip this. Okay, and I'm just wearing my simple cross, and now we have a couple of things. This is my GPA stole. This is for being summa cum laude. which at my school you have to have a weighted 4.3 and above. And then we have my chords, and I do have quite a few. Let's go through them. I have Avid. This is my Avid chord for finishing the Avid program. I also have my NHS chord. My school doesn't really do anything too different or special, so my NHS chord kind of looks like my Avid chord actually, but that's for National Honor Society. And then we have Rho Kappa, which is Social Studies Honor Society, which is a little long. And then we have Science Honor Society. And then I have the Signature program, which at my school I finished the business program, so I have that. And then lastly, I have my Art Honor Society chords. And yeah, that's all we have here for my chords and my stole. So that's about it. Really cute. And let's just put on my cap for some funsies. I'm gonna use some clips maybe to make sure it stays. And then for my little tassel, cute, we have there it is. Wait, is it supposed to be on this side? And then I think I'm gonna change out my cross to my new one, because my new one that my mom got me is a little more bedazzly. You can like flip it down.
Okay, let's go. Oh, it's so bright. Yeah.
Okay, don't look at us. Don't look at us. Don't care about us. Yeah, let's go, Lisa!
And is a member of the National Honor Society and S2S, a program aimed at acclimating new students. Lisa will be attending Northeastern University in the fall to pursue her passion of business. Many of you might not know, but Lisa has her own YouTube channel and is already promoting her own fashion products. Finally, summa cum laude, or with highest honors, is for students who have earned a 4.3 weighted GPA or higher. These seniors are wearing gold stoles, and they will be recognized individually when their name is called as they receive their diploma.
Kevin James McKnight II.
Madeline Isabel McMillan, summa cum laude.
Nadayan Elena Holden.
Ian William McQuaid.
Lisa Knott, Phan, summa cum laude.